Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 1970 Monte Carlo, and this is by Hotwheels from the Silver series, and this is more specific to the Fast and the Furious movie Tokyo Drift. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Okay, so here is the card art. The card art looks really good. Okay, let me throw this aside. Okay, so here is the casting. Honestly, out of the box, I'm really disappointed to see it has some painting issues here. So it does have some interior detailing to it that is really nice. You can see this from the both driver and passenger side. Okay, so it has headlight detailing and it has grill detailing. This is engraved and it is painted on top of it, which is really good. So it doesn't have any taillight detailing here. That is disappointing to see. Again, I'm paying $299. At least that's the least they could do, but they didn't do. Okay, so the body is fully metal and the chassis is fully plastic. It's chromed out plastic, which looks honestly very ugly. They could have went with black, but they didn't do that. Yeah, they could have went with black, but they didn't do that. Instead, they have to do this. Okay, the rims looks really nice. At least it matches this specific casting. So the door handle details are there. Honestly, this door handle here, it is actually embossed. It is not just painted. There is one good thing about this now. Okay, so okay, yeah, this is plastic. This is not metal. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. $35, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test now. That also rolls really well. See, not as fast as the Sylvia, but still rolls. I don't see any wheel wobble. So let's rate this casting now. Okay, so honestly, I'm taking 0.5 right away from this, for this casting. So it doesn't have the taillight detailing here. So 9.5. Okay, the paint issue here, the paint rash here, that is specific to mine. So you guys don't need to worry about it. It won't be in your casting. So don't worry about it. So 9.5 out of 10. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.